Saving on your electricity bill can be straightforward with a few effective strategies. Here are 10 simple tips. Number 1, unplug devices. So disconnect chargers and electronics when you're not using them to avoid phantom energy uses. Okay? So number 2, use energy efficient appliances. And I'll leave it all in the description, everything I'm saying. Invest in Energy Star rated appliances, which use less electricity. Number 3, switch to LED bulbs. Replace your incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs, which consume significantly less energy. Number 4, adjust thermostat settings. Set your thermostat a few degrees higher in summer and a little bit lower in winter. Consider using a programmable thermostat for more control. Number 5, seal leaks. Check windows and doors for drafts and any seals, any gaps that prevent heating and cooling loss. Number 6, limit use of high energy devices. Run dishwashers and washing machines during off-peak hours and use cold water when possible. Number 7, reduce water heater temperature. So lower the temperature on your water heater to around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 49 degrees Celsius, to save energy. Number 8, use natural light. All right? Open certain days, let the natural light in instead of relying on electric lighting. Number 9, perform regular maintenance. Keep the HVAC system, appliances well maintained for optimal efficiency. And number 10, consider renewable energy. So if possible, look for solar panels. Renewable energy to basically, lower your spending there too. So basically implementing these tips can help you lower your electricity bill and save you money.